Tired of staring at endless rows and columns, wishing you could unlock the story hiding within your Excel data? In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Excel files to Tableau, turning your spreadsheets into insightful visualizations in just a few clicks. First, open Tableau Desktop on the left side. You'll see the Connect pane under to a file. Click Excel. A File Explorer window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your Excel file is located. Select the file you want to connect and click Open. Tableau will now display the sheets within your Excel workbook. Drag the sheets you want to analyze from the left pane to the main canvas. Tableau automatically imports the data from your selected sheet. Review the data to ensure everything looks correct. You can see column names and data types right here. If needed, you can adjust the data types, rename fields, or even create calculated fields in this Data Source tab before heading to your worksheet. Now, navigate to a new worksheet. Your Excel data fields are now available in the data pane on the left. Simply drag and drop fields onto the canvas to create your visualizations. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Excel files to Tableau and are ready to start exploring your data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Tableau tips and tricks.